how we want to write your SAS programs. In practical, tomorrow when you are going to the work, you need to have all your programs in one place, all your programs in one place. So that means even in this class also, you need to create one directory in your C drive. Then you can assign the library to your SAS. Then you can save all your programs in the directory only, because tomorrow if you have any problem, if you have any doubts, simply I can go and I can look into your programs. So don't copy anything in your desktop. It's a thumb rule. Thumb rule is don't copy anything in your desktop. So for that case, just go to your C drive. Okay, I'm going to share my computer screen now. So I think you are able to see my computer screen. Should be good. So for example, here I have this is my C drive. In this C drive, I'm going to create one folder here, a new folder. The new folder is just I want to create SAS WORK, SAS work. Remember this one, just SAS work. That is the folder just now I created in my C drive. In C drive. Just remember, all of you create the same thing, just a SAS work in your C drive. That is just now it is got created now. Then you can close. Yeah, SAS work, and you can close this window. It should be fine. Now you need to open your SAS session. Suppose some people have SAS software in your computer already. Just you can click here. Just you can click this SAS icon. It is going to open SAS system 9. So it is going to open like this. Yesterday I told you same thing. You will get it. This is the log window. This is the editor window of results, explorer, output, etc. See, start guides. SAS start guides. When you open this start guides, it is going to open a lot of documentation. I told you 5 million pages of documentation is here. That we will discuss a little bit later, how we want to use the documentation. This is just this is the SAS screen. By default, you are able to see these windows, these libraries. One is with SAS help, GIS maps, SAS user, and work. Now I wanted to see my own library. How I want to see this one? Just very simple, LIB. See, that is in red color. Red color, N, A, still red color, M, red color. When I specify E, color changes. See, I say red color, lib name, color changes, and you can specify Venkat. You can specify your name like Sravani, SRAVANI, that is 7 letters. Letters Srivani, that probably 8 letters. Swapna contains 6 letters. Similarly, lib name should be less than or equal to 8 characters. Thumb rule. Lib name should be less than or equal to 8 characters. So lib name Venkat. Quotations begin C:/ Just now I created one folder. That folder is SAS WORK. Quotations close. Every SAS statement ends with a semicolon. That's the reason I put it semicolon here. So this is first basic step, lib name Venkat, so and so, etc. Everything here. So simply I'm going to highlight this part and click this, just to click this button, submit your programs, just to submit. What happens? Then it go to the log window. See this one. Okay, then you can go back to your program here. See, lib name Venkat, C:/SAS work. Libref Venkat was successfully assigned as follows. Previously, you have only 5 libraries. Now you will find Venkat also here. Venkat is your library. Always remember this, Venkat is your library. So I want to save all your programs, log files, output files, everything in this location. But where it is location, physically where it is located, that is C:SAS work. So this is simply an alias. You are specifying a library name. We should have certain rules. And also yesterday I told you, like, whether capital CAT or small CAT or capital C small AT, etc. SAS remembers initial letter is capital. So when you are specifying capital VENKAT or small VENKAT or capital V, etc., everything, but SAS remembers all initial letter is capital. When you see this one, V is capital here. Here is S is capital. Here is G is capital. M is capital. Initial letter is capital. So your first step is all of you must create your own libraries. The first step. Tomorrow, when you are going to the work, you need to understand the library structure, where my files are located, how we need to assign the libraries, That is the first step. So you take a piece of paper, you can write it down. Very first step, create one folder. That is the step 1. Create one folder in your C drive, SAS work. Next, open your SAS session, apply lib and ame, lib name, Venkat or whatever your name, Vinay, Pawan, whatever, just should be less than or equal to 8 characters, and C:SAS work. Then you see your name is here. Then go to your log window. Oh, you can see here lib name Venkat was successfully assigned. That is important. Yesterday I told you also, notes are in blue color, warnings are in green color, errors are in red color. So I don't want to see any errors. If I found any error, I need to fix the errors. Of course, when you are writing a programs, you will get hundreds of errors. Don't worry about it. Nobody is become like a master in a day one itself. This is only 1.5 hour, 2 hours class is over. Now you are starting your SAS session. Okay. Now going back here. First, this one, always remember this. Remember comments. We need to write some comments all the time, because when you are writing a program, what is this line is going to do? What this line is going to do? This line is going to create a library. Yesterday somebody asked me, hey, whether SAS is going to use it in other platforms or also not. Other platforms. See, same libname statement in Unix also, but path is different. User, bin, etc. Same libname statement used in mainframes also. Same libname statement used in Linux also. Functionality of all those things is literally same. Only one thing is need to identify it. The operating system has some rules. We need to follow that rules. But it's not possible for me to using with Unix operating system and working with the SAS software. It's not possible. That is the reason I am explaining with the Windows based operating system. But I can help some extent how the directory structures are different, everything. But documentation, concepts, everything is same. Exclusively here itself. Okay, then you need to write down this one. Okay, how you want to write it down? So for example, what this line is going to do, for that case, I want to put a comment. See, comment /* creating the library. See, when this color changes to this color, why it is? So you started your comment here. You need to end up with the comments. End up with the comments is /* See, when I put this one, immediately next line is changes. See, blue color, etc. everything. This is one way of writing a comment. So one way of writing a comment is /* ends with //. That is one way of writing a comment. Other way of writing a comment is by Venkat Ikkurthy, for example. Venkat Ikkurthy here. The second way of writing a comment is * ends with the semicolon. See, there are two ways of writing a comments. One way of writing a comment is /* ends with the //. Second way of writing a comment is * ends with the semicolon. These two. So when you are writing your programs, writing a programs, you need to understand, oh, this libname statement is going to create a library. So all of you, by next class, yes, you must create a library. I want to see each and every person computer screen. You need to share your computer screen. I want to see this. And also I want to see your log window, important. So if you have any errors, we need to fix it. We need to fix these errors. Even if you have any errors, that is blockers, for example, send the screenshot through WhatsApp to me and Swapna. Definitely you will get a response in 12 hours. I don't want to say within 10 minutes, it's not possible. Within 6 to 7 hours, definitely you will get a response from my end, or with the Swapna is going to respond and she is going to fix the problems. So just to take a screenshot and send it by WhatsApp. That's where we can, because I don't want you to wait for up to next week. So just you can send it. So creating the library. I think all of you understand this, how to create the libraries. And comments also. There are two ways of writing your comments. First way of writing a comment is slash and star, ends with star slash. Second way of writing a comment is this. And suppose, for example, you are writing this line. After some time, you don't need it. Oh, I don't want to run this line. What do you need to do? Simply, you need to go here and you need to type star. That's enough. Already semicolon is here. Already semicolon is there. So star ends with a semicolon. So that's the reason. When tomorrow, when you are writing your programs, you need to play. You need to play with a lot of things. So this line is not necessary. Don't remove it. Just comment it. Just star. That's enough. So that is the reason. Apply your comments in wisely. Very important is wisely. You need to apply those things. So I created my library name first. Then I told you yesterday, you need to write header. Before going to header, I want to explain two things. One is with in SAS data types. Data types. What are the data types here? One is character, and other one is numeric.
Yeah.
Anybody have any questions? Sriwani, can you please put yourself in mute? Okay. So data types. One is character and numeric. So how SAS is going to recognize? Which one is character and which one is numeric? So that's the reason I told you I want to put some box here. This is because you need to understand why I want to put like this is, see, this is a star, and so with the semicolon here, up to this is the part. If your data is type a character, you need to specify dollar symbol. Otherwise not necessary. So in SAS, we have data types is only two. One is character, other one is numeric. If it is a character, you need to specify dollar symbol. If it is numeric, it is not necessary. It's clear. So I explained two things here. One is how to create a comments. There are two ways of writing your comment. One is a star slash and slash star. Other one is star ends with a semicolon. Okay, same thing here. And data. Here the SAS data is two types. One is with the character, other one is numeric. Character, how SAS is going to recognize, then you need to specify dollar symbol. Numeric, it is not necessary. If you are not specifying dollar symbol, SAS is going to consider that is numeric. So this one. And the second one is how SAS deals with missing values. Suppose the data is missing values. How SAS deals with missing values? If the character value is missing, it is going to specify as a blank space. Character value is missing, it is just a blank space. If the numeric value is missing, it is going to provide as a period, dot. So that's the way it is going to manage it. Now I told you like how to create a comments. There are two types of data types. How to identify the data types. Yes, this is the way I need to identify data type. If the data is missing, generally we know that how it deals with the missing values. If the character value is missing, then it is going to provide as a blank space. If the numeric value is equal to missing, it is going to provide as a period. People call it as a dot also. That is the way. So when you see the data itself, we can understand, we can identify whether the data is character or numeric. Suppose blank space is there, that means, oh, it is defined as character. The dot is missing, so it is defined as numeric. So these three are very, very important. That's the reason I told you better to have always a notebook and pen. You can write it down. Write it down. Now this is the way. See, I'm applying the comments. So this is the part I created my library. My library is here. Generally, most of these corporates, they are going with this is your first program. I'm going to send it by email to all of you. All of you, I'm going to send it by email. Don't worry about it. Just you can write only important points. Don't write this program. Only this program. Even though I am sending by email, don't copy and paste it. You need to try. I don't use library name Venkat. You need to create your own library. That's the first step. Okay, then I want to write some header. Always think about header part is like this. This is like, I'm copying from other program like this. When you see this one, so this is the program name. Program name, you can type your program name written by your name, and the purpose of this program. When you wrote this program, like date, key attributes, modification history. See, always you can because they are going to provide you this information. So this information, all the programs has header. I don't want, that's the reason. See, this is just slash star ends with a star slash. So this is the comments. This is the part. Okay, this is the header. I want all of you to write your programs. This is the header. I want all of you to write your programs. In this case, I'm going to see the program name. It has some naming conventions. Name blanks cannot appear in SAS names. All written by who written these programs. Tomorrow, when you are going for interview, sometimes people are asking, hey, can you please send me some sample code you wrote it? Within 5 minutes, you need to send that code back to them. Whether it's a big code or small code doesn't matter. Within 5 minutes. That means you are not fabricating. Oh, you already wrote a code. That's the reason. I am giving 5 real-time situations. You need to write a program in a professional manner, because tomorrow you are going to put some experience and you are entering into the corporate. They are going to smell that you have that real experience or not. You have that much of experience or not. That is the reason I'm telling you. So make sure that you need to go with the header. Key attributes. What are the key attributes? You can add input variables. What are the input? What is the output it is going to generate? What is the output you are going to generate? What is the output? So suppose the modifications are there. Who modified? Why modification is required? When this is happened? This type of versions you are supposed to maintain. That's very, very important. Okay, so this is the program header. You must use the program header for all these programs for sure. Now I am writing a simple SAS program now. Very simple SAS program. For that case, I told you, this is my simple program. Then I want to take this one, just like as generally libraries are in first line. Generally, when you are going with these things, library name should be like this generally. So here also I'm doing the same thing. I have only one library here, that is Venkat. Suppose when you are going to corporate, I have hundreds of libraries. Is it possible? For that case, I will tell you the important trick how you are going to handle your libraries probably next, because I don't want to make yourself is confused. So you have your own one library now. Then we are working a simple SAS program. In this simple SAS program means when you see this one, okay, see whatever the programs you are writing in your computer, that should be understandable to other people also. Always SAS programming or this software task is not one person task. You are working with a team of members. Just now, like Srivani mentioned about she works with industry. Why she wants to come to SAS side? I know. Where there is money, people will go. Yes, SAS has money. First of all, you will get it minimum of $50 to $60 per hour in US, minimum. But one thing is you need to work. But that's only the reason, because there is no exception. I am also taking these classes. I want money. That's enough. There is no, because I don't want to say any like, oh, I am doing social service, something. No, just I'm giving a quality education to all of you. You are supposed to pay. That's the reason. First thing is first 2 classes just. And also, Sopna, can you please log this meeting now? Nobody is going to join. 9:20 now. And next week onwards, 9:15, I'm going to log this meeting. Nobody is going to join. Because I don't want to take like, bite like everybody is coming and joining, his sound is coming up. The distraction is very annoying, first of all. Okay, anyhow, going back. See, simple SAS programs. First of all, like, what is my data set? First step is, I told you, DATA data. See, up to this part is red color. DAT is a red color. When I specify A, color changes to data. So data, you need to specify your library first of all. Suppose, for example, the class is here. What I need to do? I need to send a Zoom invitation. Without sending the invitation, how you are going to join these classes? Similarly, you need to tell them, hey, my data is should be somewhere else. So data, okay, Venkat, VENKAT. This is my library name. You need to specify data Venkat dot wait club, WEIGHT, wait. I told you underscore, because why? Blanks cannot appear in SAS names. Blanks cannot appear in SAS names. So wait underscore CLUB, wait club. Okay, wait club. What is this one is? Every SAS statement ends with a semicolon. That should be fine. Yesterday I told you all the rules. Now going back here, data wait Venkat dot wait club. What is this one? I want to write a comment because suppose you don't have faculty, you don't have trainer. What you are going to do? You are trial and play. You need to go with what this line is going to do. Just this is for data step, initiating data step, initiating or building a data set. Okay, data step. That is this line. Then after that, data wait club. That should everybody agreed with this. And recap what we discussed so far is creating the library, data types, character and numeric. Again, character and numeric. This character variable is bifurcated to 2 things. One is alphabetic, all like Venkat Ikkurthy, alphabetic, alpha numeric. If you see the address 160 Evergreen Road, that means 160 is numbers and Evergreen is the alphabets. So character value again bifurcated to alphabetic and alpha numeric. So this is what exactly here itself. And how SAS deals with missing values. If the character value is missing, it is going to specify it as a blank space. The numeric value is missing, it is going to specify it as a period or a dot. That one. And this is a program header. In this program, you need to fill everything. Okay, everything. Now this is this line, 30-second line is data step. Okay. Now next, what I need to do here is input IN. Again, red color, PU, red color. When you specify T, color changes. Input, ID number, NUMBER, ID number. What is this ID number? You need to judge yourself. ID number. Number is a character or numeric. When you are going to the work, don't worry about it. They are going to provide you specification documents. They are going to provide you each and every variable types, which is a character or numeric. They are going to provide you big document. So don't worry about that part. It's very easy. When you are entering to the corporate, it's very easy. Everything is documented. Everything is there. It's easy to write the programs. So first step is ID number. ID number is a numeric or character. So I want to make sure that it's a numeric. Number is a numeric. And I want to make sure that my ID number is at 1 to 4 position. 1 to 4 position is my ID number. Then what is this purpose? Then I want to put it, ID number is numeric. ID number is numeric because I don't have any dollar symbol. ID number is numeric. The next one is, you can write SAS statements in one line and continue with another line also. Yesterday I told you the rule. Because this is the material, you have it. Suppose, for example, introduction to SAS programming book. Whatever I explained yesterday, this book contains everything. So then ID number, this is a numeric. The next one is, what is next one is ID name. So you know that name is character or numeric. Name is a character. Character means immediately you need to specify dollar symbol here, and you are telling that, hey, my name is starts with the 6th position to 24th position, 6th to 24th position. Then you need to specify this line. This line is O character. It's a character. This one is a character. So this, oh, this is character. This should be good. Name is character. The next one is what? Next one is what your data set contains. Your data set contains, next one is, for example, team, TEAM, team. See, you can define this variable names. This variable names is initial letter is underscore or character. Subsequent characters must be numbers or etc. everything. So this is but somebody asked me yesterday question is ID name is equal to, so it's a bigger one. It's fine. I'm not concerned about those values, but I'm telling my ID number is this much. My name is 6 to 24 positions. Team is equal to, I did not specify the length of the team, but I know team is a character or numeric. My team is a character. I have a red team and a yellow team. So this is a character. I need to specify just a dollar symbol. I'm not specifying anything here. So this is also character. Because why I want to write it a very first program is you need to understand each and every line of the program, every line, team. Then after that, what I need to do is, then why people wants to go to weight club? Simply you are taking about reducing the weight. So that means START, start weight. Again, I'm telling you, I don't want to put a start space weight. No, start, one word, start weight. Start weight is because blanks cannot appear in SAS names. Blanks cannot appear in SAS names. So start weight. Start weight is a character or numeric. It's a numeric. I don't want to say anything here. Just okay. Simply this is for numeric. I'm the most lazy person. That's the reason I'm using copy and paste. Okay, start weight. The next one is like, what is next one is end weight. So after 1 month, they are going to check it again. So end weight. See, when you are writing your programs, you are judging that when you are going to change it. Otherwise, it's a problem actually. So end weight. This is also numeric. This is also numeric. So my data set contains ID number, name, team, start weight, end weight. So I want to close my input statement. This one. Okay, this one. So now you are able to understand each and so I have a data statement, input statement. Okay, then I want to calculate certain things. What I need to calculate is simple. I want to calculate loss is equal to loss. Loss is equal to, what is loss? People who goes to weight club, they want to go with the, okay, start weight, control, this one, and minus, and then you need to add with end weight also. This value you want it, this one, and semicolon. This call it as assignment statement. We are assigning, loss is equal to start weight minus end weight. Suppose yesterday Ashwani mentioned about she is working with lab data. So initially how this, after 5 days of treatment, what will happen? Same thing. So she need to create her simple program and you can put that into Excel file. Then simply you can take that Excel file and you don't need to worry about a lot of calculation. SAS is going to do all the calculations. Simply you will get the data. So that is the way you need to think about it. See, that's the reason in this batch, we are all professionals working in industry for so many years. We need to share our experience, simple. Okay, going back. So loss is equal to start weight minus end weight. Then what exactly we want to do it? The next one is I want to see the data. But I told you like only for training classes, I am going to use the data lines. DATA, data, LINES, data lines. Say color changes. Data lines. In this data lines, of course, okay, data lines is nothing but I want to add a comment. Here is also data, for example. And I want to add this one also. This is character or numeric. This is numeric because numeric, this much. Okay, data lines. This is the data. Now I want to see the data. See, I'm going to send a text file. text file in email that contains data in a notepad, just you can copy and paste it. This is not a typing practice. Simply for data, I don't want you to type. Okay, going back. This is my data here. I'm going to send this file. Swapna, I can write it down, and tomorrow you need to send this file to all the students. Next one is like, see this one. See, I told you like 1 to 4 position. This is my ID number, and the name is 6 to 24 position. This is 6 to position. When you see the cursor down, line number 48, column number is 6. 6 to position to David Shaw, Emily Scenario, Alan Nance, Ravi Sinha, something. So this one. Then after that, I want to put a semicolon here. This is my data. This is my data. Here it is start weight. Here is the start weight is 189. End weight is 165. I did not have loss here. Loss is not here. Loss is not here. Then what I need to do? So then I want to run this program. Just to run it. Just to simply, this is a very simple program. Data step. This is the data. This is the data. And run. What exactly run is going to do? Run is for executing your program. Executing the program. Once I am going to run this code, highlight this part, and you can run the program. Simply you can click here, submit. See, data step is running. Okay, it will take just a minute. Data step is wait. See, then go to log window. Check it. All are blue colors. There is no red color. That means it's fine. The data set Venkat.WaitClub has 5 observations and 6 variables. Okay, I want to see the data. Okay, data set is created. I want to see the data. There are so many ways to see the data. First, you can click Venkat here. You see, Weight Club is just now it is created. If it is in Windows, you can double click. You can double click and you can see it. But tomorrow, when you are working with a Unix platform, there is no mouse concept. On that time, what I need to do, I need to write a program. That program is PROC, PRINT, PROC print, data is equal to, PROC print data is equal to VENKAT Venkat, that's my library name, dot WEIGHT weight underscore CLUB club, weight underscore club, and run. When I am going to run these 2 lines, PROC print, you know what happened? Just run it. You will see PROC print is running. You have values like this: ID number, name, team, start weight, end weight. Oh, loss is you are calculating your loss. Take the calculator, just one value, 189 minus 165. Oh, that is 24. That means check with only one value. People are asking in interview also, hey, how you are validating your programs? How you can say my program is correct? How you can say my program is correct? Then you need to say, yeah, when I am going to write my programs with the test data, then I am going to check using with the calculator with 1 or 2 values. Those values are correct. Automatically everything is correct. Everything is correct. So that's where you need to explain. Oh, this is my data. Yes, my formula is correct. It's calculating correctly. Everything is fine here. Everything is fine here. So now going back here itself. So PROC print data weight club. Okay, now I'm giving like just 5 minutes break. Why I'm giving this 5 minutes break is you need to write a notes for this half an hour session. Then you can ask me the questions. Then we'll go to the next level. Okay, I'm going to give like 9:34 up to 9:40, like 6 minutes. Then we need to start again.